We're gonna review Squishies. That one.
From where?
We don't really know.
From SHEIN.
Shein.
All right.
We have a lot of these Squishies.
We do. Look at these.
That came in.
First, can we do this?
You want to do that one first?
First, we're gonna do this. I think cheesecake.
It's like one of the Japanese pancakes that are fluffy.
Oh, I did open this. Open it. I did open it.
Andrew, the next one I get to open this. Open this. Wait, I think Mommy.
Hold on. We're going to open this one up first, baby.
We need to learn how to open it.
Are you struggling?
Butter.
Help, cameraman, can you help us open it?
Yes.
Hi guys, so
We're gonna review this one.
Oh, Lord. She's...
Take this one out.
It's a little sticky. What do you think?
Oh, these things come off.
that's cool.
Will they go back on?
Come on, can I try for it?
No.
Sophie, do you want to touch that one?
No. I can hold it in my
They're so cool, guys.
And can I
It's
hold
like
it?
there's, it's like they like mill on you, but they don't.
And can I hold it now?
What are you doing, Sophie?
Yeah.
Edit, right? Edit this out. Andrew, what hurt texture too?
Now, Bells, you know what it is.
Oh, it's actually sticky.
Can we see it? Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, it's sticky. Sophia. Oh, that's sticky. No, it's not.
Can you feel it?
No.
Oh, that is sticky though.
And the next one I get to open it. Oh, the bluey.
Is that a blueberry?
Let's do the next one, guys.
Oh, this is very sticky.
That's really sticky. I can do the next one.
Yeah, okay.
Next, we're gonna open this one. No,
That's like the Nido. What's it
it's
called?
not yours.
It's like the gumdrop
Yeah.
from Nido.
Wait, is that actually a Nido though?
No.
I got it.
Here, Andrew.
Let me open this
Put
one.
it back in the...
Oh, I got it.
I was gonna put it on top.
Oh, I got it. Oh. Mommy.
Hold on, we're doing that one.
It's not really that good as the last one, but I like the last one better.
See?
It's way more squishy. And it's way less squishy.
Ooh, I like this one. Let's feel this one, baby.
It's mine. So we know it's me and Andrew's. No, it's not.
Okay. Now, Sophie, which one do you want to open, baby?
This one. Can I open it? No.
Okay, open it.
Mine. Sweet, it's not yours. These bushes are not yours.
Okay, we got it open.
Wait, can I open it? No. Oh, she's not going to let us feel it though.
She is.
Sweet, can we feel it?
Oh, these kids. This one's so pretty. Can we see the detailing? Are
Oh,
those...
she's not going to let us feel it. No.
That was my favorite one.
Mike, can you pause the video once over here?
All right, we had to break there for a
That was
second. All right.
Maybe we should
Now
open
it's my turn. I want to do the banana.
You do the
Do
banana
the
one.
banana. The fun banana, baby.
Oh, that looks cool.
I need to get it out somehow. Oh, there's an opening. Oh. It's a banana squishy.
What does it feel like?
It's really good.
Let's get out.
It's like foam. You see?
It's stuck like that. Hey, yo, this kind of scam.
No, just a little slow riser.
So we're not gonna let you touch it.
That's crazy. It kind of feels like a real
Ooh,
banana.
it feels like a balloon.
Yeah, you're right. That's like one. Let's see if it tastes like one.
No, my turn to open one. I'm gonna open this one.
What is it?
It is a pretend Nido.
Don't get touched. Give us that.
No.
Seeing the kids fight.
Okay. Oh, and they touch it first. Then I got it out. Oh, mommy. Oh, some of it's trash. We can play. Oh,
First,
good. And we got this back from Sophia. It feels really cool.
Yeah,
It
this
does.
one's
And
cool too.
there's
We're
like
gonna give this one.
seashells inside and
Feel it.
stars.
Oh,
Can I feel that one, baby?
it feels really cool. I can try the banana one. Yes, and try it. Go to try it.
This one feels nice. Anna, do you want to feel this one?
Oh, I already felt it, but okay.
No.
Andrew. Stop. Okay, action.
What's next?
Butter stick.
The butter stick.
Ultimate butter stick. It's not the last one. It's almost. I thought it would be way better.
I feel it.
Oh, wait. Oh, I thought it would be better than this.
Again, this is just SHEIN Squishies, okay?
Wait, it feels like trash. Hey, my God.
Oh.
Oh, no.
It's foamy.
Let's put it
It's very foamy.
Let's put it back. Okay, next we're gonna open this.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
All right.
Dad.
Oh, wait, Mom, did you upload a short though?
Not yet.
Upcoming short, guys.
Here, hold me.
Well,